Sa wakas, nag-champion na rin si Kit Jimenez mga idol sa Zamboanga Valientes at nagpakitang gilas pa. Showtime mga idol, umiscore siya ng almost triple-double with 14 points, 9 rebounds and 6 assists laban sa defending champion na Litra Knights. Tumulong din si Dimesolman, Vic Manuel mga idol at ang di mawat sa pit na si Sam Diguara. Kaya tara mga idol, panoorin natin ang highlights ng Zamboanga Valientes versus Litra Knights sa Sibugay Championship Game.
Gives it to Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel against Tapeño inside off the glass for Sam Diguara. Grabe. Tolomia. Diguara asking it. Diguara again. And the two-pointer for Sam Diguara. Here comes Peter Rosilio. Drops it. One-hander. In and out. Rattles in for Tapeño. Dito po sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. Jimenez. Ooh! Gives it to the other guy. Rosilio is still with a layup. Sam Diguara. Rosilio inside to Mark Omega. Balik sa labas. Sinalubong ng Higante. Omega! 6-4. 2-point lead for Litran. Ascenso Bancoro, Vic Manuel, inside for 2. Tapeño, swings it to Sunny Steele. Inside, Deo Cuajao, ball fake. Jumper for Cuajao, that's good for Deo. For Letran, Ascenso Bancoro. Vic Manuel goes inside. That's good for Vic Manuel. Tries to attack. Kit Jimenez to Sam Diguara, inside for 2. Now Zamboanga of Sam Diguara. Jimenez with a steal. Jimenez lays it in for 2. Lead change tayo. 2 point. Inbound for Manalili. Estrada catches it. Pull up jumper for Jimboy. And that's good for Litran. 14-12. Tolomia drops it. Jimenez. 4 points now for Kit Jimenez. Bosingan, madam. Factor ball game, minute left. Vic Manuel, di diskarte against Nunag. Off the glass. What a veteran move coming from Vic Manuel. Padrigao, extra feed. Kit Jimenez drives. Jimenez scores! 6 points now for Kit Jimenez against Estrada. Kit Jimenez will use the screen of Capiral. Kit Jimenez, pull-up jumper for Kit. And that's a long two-pointer. 10 seconds, 2 seconds differential shot clock and game clock. Estrada, pull up for 2. That's good for Jimboy Estrada. 5 seconds left. Padrigao. Isufar, Padrigao. Oh! To beat the buzzer here in the first. Capiral. Kick out. Padrigao. Kurtzky, Padrigao inside the paint. At the head of this competition in the league, vice or board member, Rick Oligario. Ooh, nice find by Titing Manalili to Jimboy. Talaga. For Malik Diouf now, reset sa shot clock. Itong Litran. Manalili behind the back pass to Mark Omega. Once again, what a beautiful Mark Omega underneath. Gives it to the wrong guy. Job Alcantara with a layup in transition. It's Capiral, but counter steal coming from Monticello. Roselio lays it in. Misses. Rebound. Goes to Tapeño. Inside, Sam Diguara. Again, Diguara misses. Patak for Sam. 8 points now for Sam Diguara. Inside. Rosilio. Jumper for Cuajao. That's good. Nothing but net for Deo Cuajao. Manuel Masahe. And a putback for Diguara. Good for 2. So fakes. Monticello fires for 2. No good. Rebound. Buensalida. Good for 2. 37-28. Padrigao to Manuel. inside. Sam Diguara again for 2. How can you stop? Vic Manuel. Manuel inside. Manuel, grabe. Giving. Padriga will cross the timeline. Up by 13. Diguara again with a slam. Sam Diguara inside. Diguara misses. Diguara again. Tap for Diguara. Napakalaking mismatch talaga all throughout our tournament. Ooh! Manalili saves it to Roque for 2. Na full court press para sa Litran. Ligo to Linganay. Jimenez saves it to the wrong guy. Extra feed. Manalili. Roque too strong. Rebound Estrada off the glass. 6 straight points. Tuition here. Sean McCarthy for Jimenez. Manalili drives. Manalili gets the and one against the smaller Rudy Linganay. Third quarter. 14-9 to 39. Manalili once again. What a beautiful drop pass coming from Titing Manalili. Against Quahao. Double team dito. McCarthy. Another steal for Litran. Manalili with a layup. Manalili with a score. Roque inside. Roque bounce pass. Omega one-handed shot against 52-48. Diguara inside. And Omega against Diguara. To the corner. Roque fires and scores from downtown. Full court press again. Timeline. Tao-tao dito itong depensa ng Litran. Vic Manuel fires from downtown. Vic Manuel scores! Lomia. Diguara. Manuel. Shot clock at 3. Manuel fires and scores for Vic Manuel. Sa kanila. For Zamboanga Valientes. Tolomia off the glass. No good. Jimenez with a putback. Pakitang gilas na ang isang Kit Jimenez. Sa Litran. Sunny steal. Balik sa labas kay Manalili. Titing Manalili. Crosses over. Fake pass. Napakaganda ng pass. Grabe. 61-53. Jumper for Padrigao, and that's good from downtown. 0 out of 2 for Sunny Steele because the forward pass. Reed Hontilia in fast break. Nalili Estrada lays it in for 2. 66-55. Shout out to Boss Lance Go watching us right now. In the basket for Zamboanga Valientes, layup, and that's good for Alcantara. Ooh, nice knockout play para sa Litran. Asenso Bancoro. Hand off for Litran. Rosilio. And the bound. Para against Mark Omega. Hand off to Reed Hontilia. Hontilia, pull-up jumper. And that's a 2-pointer for El Fuego. Padrigao. Shot clock natin. 10 na lang ito. Padrigao. Pick and roll denied. Padrigao goes for the teardrop. Corner. Diguara. Pass deflected. Steal by Rosilio. Forward pass to Nunag. Nunag lays it in for 2. Tied a steal. Coming from Litran. Counter steal naman. Reed Hontilia with a touchdown. Here against Valientes. Di maano. Kakapasok pa lang. Montesilio, pull up from the free throw line. That's good for Montesilio. Here comes Mike. Tolomia inside. One-hander for Vic Manuel against Manalili. Uses the screen. Spin. Steal. Picked up by Manalili. Manalili lays it in. And the score. 3 and change sa ating oras dito. Jimenez Nice find to Vic Manuel. Naidukot pa yun ng isang Kit Jimenez. Extra swing. Nunag fakes. Nunag gives it. And di maano. Long pass to Jimenez. Vic Manuel. Using the clock here. The veteran Manuel against Nunag. Off the glass. Grabe talaga. Vic Manuel. Si Vic Manuel. Jimenez ang tatawid para sa Valientes. Jimenez in and out crossover. Jimenez with a drive! And the highlight for Mr. Excitement, Kit Jimenez. Theo Quahao, nakawala doon. 1:25. Manalili. Oh! What a highlight for Titing. Fake behind the back pass and to the cutting Nunag. Zamboanga versus Letran. Montecillo misses his jumper. 54 seconds. Mike Tolomia lays it in for 2. 12-78 our score. Wow. Oh, the slam dunk. Airball para sa Zamboanga Valientes, but we have a new champion dito po sa ating third governor and kay Hofer City.